that I'm using. Like I said, you can watch the technical analysis video at the end of this video to dive more deeply into how I use these things specifically. Okay, so now that we understand some of the analysis and tools that go into actually trading, let's talk about how to actually put this into a strategy that you can start practicing and trading for yourself. So this is the progression that we're using anytime we're building a trading strategy. The first thing is the concept, which is coming from observation. So just like we were noticing on our other chart that certain things were happening based on certain pieces of analysis, what we want to do is gather a bunch of those ideas and observe a general tendency in the market. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is create a rule set based on your observations. And then the next thing that you want to do is evaluate that outcome by identifying the percent of the time that it happens, the average amount that you make versus how much you lose, while considering the specific loss size. Okay, and then basically it's up to us to be able to see whether it's going to be profitable or not. Okay, so let's just use a really simple example of how you can actually go through and test your strategy. Once you have an idea, you can click on this button on your chart, which is called bar replay, and you can click back to a random part on your chart and then click